In today's video, I'll show you how to create a seller account on Eldorado GG. Now, of course, I'm not going to cover the obvious things like that you need to come to this website, sign up with your email address. That's very obvious. But what I do need to cover is to create your seller account, you need to come to the top right here. Then click on Sell. Then we're going to go to Accounts. And here you'll see seller verification is required. So click on this Documents Required section. And now you need to choose individual or company. Then you need to choose what you want to sell. Then you need to choose your selling experience on this platform. Now you need to fill in all of your personal details. Now you need to take a photo of your ID or driver's license, whatever you have to verify yourself. So just go to Choose File and upload your photo. Then you need to take a selfie with your ID. So take one from your phone or webcam and just upload it to Eldorado. Once that's done, just click on Submit Documents. And now you need to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes for them to verify, and only once they've verified, so you'll see where it says Document Submitted, it will then say Verified. And only once that has happened can you begin selling. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.